All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. I want to show you some really cool stuff in this video. We're going to be looking at some income that I just got in the last couple of days. And I'm also going to show you how you can actually go out there and start doing this for yourself. And it will be very relative to the income that just came in. So, I mean, we can look over here. It's right now, I'm recording this. It's 9:52 a.m. I just got paid right here. At 9:08 a.m. I got paid right here $200 from a software called Rank IQ. But I want to look at the one from yesterday, right? October 2nd. We can go and click on this. It says you've got money from PayPal, right? Look at this is all the payments I get from PayPal. We're going to click on this one and look at this $1,897 from a WordPress theme. Popcorn theme affiliate payout. Really cool. Thanks, David. A fantastic month. And you can see there's my name right there. So $1,897. So basically $1,900. And this is for 1 month of promotions. Now, this was a promotion that was ending their lifetime deal, or they were changing their pricing basically. And so there was definitely an urgency to get people to sign up so they don't miss out on the deal. So you're actually sharing information with your audience and with your subscribers that is very valuable to them. You're giving them the heads up that, hey, if you like building websites, you know that I build a lot of websites using this theme. It's a great affiliate WordPress theme. It's a premium theme. And if you want access to it for the best price it'll ever be, then you need to go and pick it up right now because the pricing is changing. The price is going up drastically and so forth, right? So there's some urgency, but you're selling a good product. You're recommending a really good product. And I made a ton of sales. So how do we go out and do this? Well, if I'm an affiliate, I'm showing you right here that this actually can be done with very small audiences on YouTube. And that's what I teach. If you want to know exactly how to do this in depth, I do have a 1-hour free webinar that you can sign up to right now. It's the offer will be being pulled soon, but if you want to go and watch it, I'm telling you right now, it's only an hour long. It's a webinar. There's just click the first link below. Go check it out, watch the webinar, and if it resonates with you, then you can maybe take the next step. So we're going to come over here and I'm going to show you what I would do. I'd go into Google and I would say best premium WordPress themes, right? Best premium WordPress themes. I'm going to push enter and watch what happens. So we have all these results over here. Okay. So Elegant Themes, Elementor, those are all going to be really big names, WP Engine, but they're doing roundup posts to get people to come to their site. Like Elementor is a major page builder, right? So they're going to be trying to sell you their product. They have themes on top of that. So that's a really big WordPress software plugin themes. It's a big giant thing, right? And there's probably a lot of affiliates, and there's probably a really good affiliate opportunity with Elementor. But if we keep scrolling down, we're going to go and see like this one right over here. Elegant Themes has the list for us, right? So you can go and you can check that out right there. We're going to come back to that. Theme Forest is another really good one. I don't want to go too into depth and do too much in this video. I want to really just kind of streamline this so we can look at what we can do here, exactly what to do. But there's no limit to going to all these different ones, researching themes, find out what the company is, and then finding out if they have an affiliate program so you can sell that product to your audience, okay? This particular strategy that I'm teaching you today would fit well with either SEO, WordPress, anything that has to do with small business even, because they are going to need to build websites. And if you have like a channel that helps small businesses grow, even on social media, things like that, this would be relevant to your audience. So there's quite a bit of YouTube channels where you could make this fit with your audience, okay? Because almost everybody, if you're in a business or you're online or anything like that, everybody needs a presence online. They're going to need a website. And I believe 40 or 50% of websites online are built with WordPress, the content management platform, right? that you install your website on, because they have all these different easy tools like plugins and so forth to make it easy for people to get their site up and running. But we're going to come back over here to these top 11 right here. And one of them stands out. The third recommended one is OptimizePress. I know of this one, and I might have used it back in the day, like 10 years ago. Now, this one's been around a really long time, but they continue to update it year after year. The pricing on it, I believe, has gone up because the quality of the tool is just getting better and better and better. But this is one of the first really good like funnel building WordPress themes that basically has all the plugins and essentials that you would need to build full funnels, classrooms, all kinds of different things, sell courses online, squeeze pages. It's like an all-in-one for WordPress, right? So we can copy that and we can go in to another window and throw that in and just push OptimizePress, right? I like to not click on sponsored ads because I know that this costs them money. So I usually don't click on the ads. That's just kind of a favor that I do for them. But I do come over here because they're usually going to be the second ranking anyways, if they're running ads on their own business. But you can see, and this is a really good kind of gauge as well for companies that have a lot of money to spend, and they're probably a very successful, profitable business. If they're willing to spend money to outrank anybody else that would be putting ads up, they're willing to also pay for your clicks, right? Even though if I typed in OptimizePress and they weren't adding ads right here, then they would still rank number one, right? So this just tells me that they have money to spend on their marketing and they want to make sure that they're the number one result when people type in OptimizePress. But we're going to come over here and, I mean, you can go and look at it. We'll just show you the sales page real quick. Build landing pages, funnels, and courses in WordPress without the hassle. There's so much you can do with this. Look, you can literally take this sentence right here and you could go over here to ChatGPT and you can open up a new chat and you could just say, hey, give me 10 catchy clickbait YouTube titles that are 70 characters or less based on this info. Paste that in and push enter and watch what happens. Like, this is how you use ChatGPT the right way. It's going to go out and do all the thinking for us, right? But we have to prompt it and kind of at least steer the ship, right? But then they're going to create all this for us. So like now, look, we can build this miniature campaign right here. Effortlessly create funnels in WordPress, right? So we're going to be talking about funnels right there, but then right over here, WordPress magic, landing pages and courses made easy. No more struggles. Build WordPress funnels like a pro. The secret to hassle-free WordPress courses revealed. You have this whole 10 video campaign that you could put on your YouTube channel to start driving organic free traffic. And this is what I teach. And this is how I make 6 figures a year on YouTube, because we could basically take this and start driving traffic. But what are we going to send the traffic to, right? So what I recommend, if you're serious about your business and you want to do this the right way, what you're going to do is we're going to come up here and just look at the pricing, right? So you're going to want to come up here and at least buy the first plan for one website. This is what I recommend. But I do recommend at least picking up the tool that you are going to go out and promote and make some good money with. Just going back to my email right here, I own Popcorn Theme, right? I have Popcorn Theme. I can show you a couple sites that are built on that right now. I've got Realistic Pay right over here. It's a really big website. Looks beautiful, right? I mean, this is literally Popcorn Theme right here. And then I can also show you another one, and it's newbiegardening.com. We can go and look at this. Look, same theme, right? And just right out of the box, boom, it works. It looks really, really good. Great fonts, clean lines, everything, right? You can do all kinds of really cool things with the theme. It gives you the affiliate disclaimer automatically, so you're saving your butt. It just has really good features right here. Okay, so we know that this works, but I paid the money for this. I believe at the time that I purchased this, it was $100, and I get it to use it on unlimited sites, and it's a lifetime deal. So really, really a great offer, right? But then they moved their pricing up. So I was like, if you want to get this, you better get it now. And that's why I made all those sales, because everybody else also bought it for around that same price range. But now you can't get it for that price. Does that make sense? So back to why that is exactly why you want to buy the product. You can buy even the lowest cost, plan that they have just to get in and start using the software. Sometimes it's going to be a monthly, sometimes it's yearly. This is an annual right here. So it renews at $129 per year plus taxes, and it's $129 for the year for one site. Now, this isn't your typical WordPress theme. I would say that that's pretty expensive if it was just for a theme, but this theme comes with all kinds of goodies that it has, right? And then you have these different tier levels depending on what people need in their business. If they need all these other things right here, then they're going to have to get the $200 per year for that site, right? So this is definitely going to be targeted more or less at people that are running large websites and not necessarily building, 10, 20, 30 niche websites. That's not the audience that you would use this WordPress theme for. This would be catered to marketers, small businesses, people that need to build sales funnels and that only have 1 or 2 websites, right? So you would come in and you would purchase this, you'd build your website on it, or if you already have a website, maybe switch it out with this theme. Start making tutorial videos on using this right here, right? And then how are we going to make money? Okay. Well, we're going to come up here, or we're going to go down to the bottom, and we're going to look and see if they have an affiliate program. Well, we're going to come over here. This is definitely a business that's been around a really long time, over a decade, and they're still getting awards, top awards on different platforms for having an amazing tool, and they've been around a really long time. But look over here, when we come over here, company affiliate program, you're going to click on that and look, promote the best page builder and marketing suite for WordPress. You can start your application right here, but I like to look at the numbers. So they pay 30%. That's pretty fair. I like to look for 30% or higher. So this does meet that criteria. 30% for a very high quality product. That's pretty cool. You get to share. You don't have to. They've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on this tool to continue to keep it developed and ready to go. And you can literally make $80 on a sale if someone goes in with the 5 sites. A lot of people may need that 5-site license. You're going to make $82 if you recommend this tool and they buy that third tier. On the one that is $129, we'll pull up a calculator real quick. So if it's 129 times 0.3, you're going to make $38 for the lowest plan, right? That's great. And then guess what? They are still going to share that pie with you because they're going to give you 20% every year that they renew, right? So if someone has a successful business in the year marks coming up, guarantee you, and they're making money with their business and the tool has been awesome to them, they're absolutely going to renew. And so you're going to, at this point, it would be 129 times 0.2, you would still make $25. And imagine having 100 customers or 200 customers start building this up. You're going to start building a really good, when the year mark hits, you're going to have all this reoccurring revenue start hitting your account. Okay. So it tells you what your audience is right here. Boom. You have everything you need: online courses, services, and consulting. You can build a YouTube channel about going after people that want to build a coaching business or a consulting business, services based, ebooks, digital products, product brochure sites, book launches, mini sites, coaching funnels, seminar and event pages. I mean, you can literally build each one of these could be is a giant audience in itself. Okay. So what you would do is you'd go sign up to there, get approved, buy the tool. And I recommend buying the tool first and saying, hey, I just purchased your tool. I want to do, honest reviews and start sending real high quality traffic to OptimizePress. I'm taking this very serious and so forth, right? So if you're a new affiliate, like for me, I could go and sign up here and probably show one of my YouTube channels and having over 10,000 subscribers, all I have to do is just go and take a quick glance and they'll be like, okay, yeah, this is good. They're getting good views and so forth. I usually 99% of the time get approved for affiliate because the asset and the audience and the YouTube channels that I have built. And that's what I want to teach you. So basically, let's go back and recap what you would do. All right, so hopefully this video enlightened you and kind of puts things together for you step by step, puts things into perspective, and gives you a game plan on how you can actually go out there and start making real money with affiliate marketing. This is actually what is going to build a real business for you. Not all these other videos that are just extremely hypey. They're based on theory. No one actually makes money with a lot of the videos that you see online on YouTube that says, make $1 million and with one click. It's all clickbait. It's all there for show and for fun. And really, They're making money off of you making the YouTube video itself, getting that YouTube ad revenue and so forth. And they're not giving you the goods. At least in this video, I'm showing you a step-by-step process of how I actually make money and got to quit my day job. My 9 to 5 is no longer there. I've been quit my corporate day job 3 years ago in 2020. I'm coming up on this October will be so it's October 20th, I believe is my anniversary, is 3 full years of doing this YouTube affiliate marketing thing full time. So, but it will take time. You've got to build an audience first before you can just put out a video and start making money, right? But it starts building on itself. So here's the last steps that I've had on the screen. You're going to find a product or service or software or course that you like, right? You're going to purchase it. You're going to make sure it has a good affiliate program, right? Maybe even before purchasing it, make sure that you have the affiliate program. You could also sign up to the affiliate program. I personally think that getting accepted to the affiliate program, a lot of times because you're a customer and you've already invested in the tool, they're more likely to approve you, especially if you're new. So that's just maybe consider that. And then start using the software tool, take the course, actually use it, right? So you can provide real value and helpful insights and tutorials to your audience. Sign up to the affiliate program, right? Make tutorial videos using that software or product or service, right? And being very helpful in those videos. Make sure you add your affiliate link to each video in the description, and then you make money. It's as simple as that. It's actually a simple process. I could probably make this into 3 steps if I wanted to. Basically, find the product, sign up to the affiliate program, put out videos, right? There's 3 steps and you'll start making money. Rinse and repeat. So I don't know what else to say as far as like this right here straight up works. So you're searching all day long, trying to make money online. This actually works. Yes, you could apply this to building a website and so forth. It's going to take longer to get there and start ranking your content. That's why I like video. That's why I like YouTube. You can apply the same principle to TikTok, Instagram, other video platforms, right? But the point is to be intentional about what you are doing. So hopefully you found this video helpful to you. If you did, if you want to smash that like button, it really helps out, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more valuable real world experience content like this. So you can go out and start building that online business and making an income from home. I'll see you in the next video.